how to create an LLC for rental property in Wyoming. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're investing in rental properties or already own a few, forming a Wyoming LLC can be one of the smartest financial and legal decisions you make. Wyoming is considered one of the most landlord friendly states in the US, and its LLC's laws offer strong privacy, asset protection, and low costs, even if your property isn't located in Wyoming. So, in this video, I'll show you why investors love using Wyoming LLCs for rental properties and how to form one easily using Busy, which is a platform that handles everything for you for free except for state filing fees. So simply click on the link in the description to form your Wyoming rental LLC with Busy. It's fast, affordable, and beginner friendly. But before that, the question is why use a Wyoming LLC for rental properties? So here's why so many rental estate investors choose Wyoming. For no state income tax, because whether you live in or out of Wyoming, your LLC won't pay state income tax. For strong privacy, you don't have to list your name publicly, which is great for landlords who want discretion. For asset protection, Wyoming offers charging order protection, which makes it hard for creditors to access your LLC assets. Low annual fees. The annual report fee in Wyoming is based on your assets in the state, so if your property is elsewhere, you pay very little. And by the end, it has out of state flexibility. Even if your rental property is in Texas, Florida, or California, you can still use a Wyoming LLC, just register it as a foreign entity there. So, how to form a Wyoming rental LLC with Busy? Head over, click on the link given in the description below, and you'll be redirected to the interface of busy.com. So, what you're going to do is select Wyoming as your state for creating an LLC. Next, you're going to give your LLC a name, so you can give it any name followed by LLC and set your business purpose to something like real estate investing or property rental. Wyoming requires a registered agent. Busy provides a free registered agent for your first year, which meets the legal requirement and saves you money. But if you would like to act as your own registered agent, Busy does offer an option for that as well. And to open a business bank account or file taxes, you'll need an employer identification number. So Busy gets it for you directly from the IRS, even if you're a foreign investor or have multiple owners. If you already have an EIN and you don't want Busy to obtain it, you'll have an option for that as well. So, starting in 2024, all newly formed LLCs must file a BOI report, which is beneficial ownership information. So, if you wish to create that as well, I have included a link to that in the description below. So, Busy is ideal for forming your Wyoming rental LLC because it has free LLC formation, EIN, and also free registered agent for 1 year. It has low cost Wyoming compliance, and whether you're protecting one rental or planning a real estate portfolio, Busy and Wyoming gives you privacy protection and peace of mind. So if you're ready to protect your real estate and operate like a professional, click the link in the description to form your Wyoming rental LLC with Busy today. So that's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.